Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a safe connection, add system, data, SQL client, and place a connection string in app, config, or a secret store. Next, create a SQL connection inside a using block so resources close automatically. Once done, call open and check state. When you see open, you're ready to run commands. Make sure to use integrated security or parameterized credentials depending on your environment. This avoids hard-coding passwords and prevents common security mistakes while you proceed to create and execute commands. Now you execute SQL. Create a SQL command, set command text or command type to stored procedure, and attach it to your open SQL connection. You add SQL parameter objects for every user value. This prevents SQL injection and handles types. For inserts/updates, use execute non-query. For single values, use execute scalar. For rows, use execute reader and iterate with read. Once done, map columns to your objects and close the reader. Make sure to wrap commands in try/catch and dispose via using for predictable. To finalize, wrap multi-statement operations in a SQL transaction and commit or rollback based on success. This preserves data integrity. For UI or web apps, prefer async methods like open async and execute reader async to avoid blocking threads. Close connections in finally or rely on using. Return meaningful results to the caller. If something fails, check your connection string, parameter types, and SQL syntax first. A common fix: enable detailed exception logging and run the same query in SQL Management Studio to isolate database versus code issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.